salt. Hello guys, so today we are going to make chapatis. Let's look at this. We have this, the flour. We are going to use 2 carrots. We are going to need onion and butter to make it soft. We also need salt to make it taste good. Ginger, you can put it according to your taste. I'm just going to use this much. Good. So we are going to chop. This one goes to the compost. So now we are going to get our dry ingredients together. We're starting with the flour. I'm going to use about 500 grams. Now we need salt. This is about 1 teaspoon. And now I'm going to use butter. It is not melted, but I'm going to use hot water and it's going to melt it. So I'm using 1 tablespoon. Now we need to mix. You remember this? We are going to pour it now. Wow. I love it. I need to be gentler. Now I'm going to use my fingers to help me. Wow, so soft. Look. We're going to need a bit of water. This space is well cleaned. Now we are going to roll our dough. Good, come do it with me. Make it as flat as you can. At this stage, don't worry about the shape. We are going to roll it and put it away. So there they are. Now we are going to roll them, make them flat. Ready for the pan. Ready? Let's do it. Try and make them as round as you can. This one is about 1 centimeter thick.
Auckland, I need you listening right now.
We're currently in the Auckland domain right now, giving away a guaranteed
We got cooking oil here. Press it down first, so the inside part can be cooked as well. And you check. Golden. I love it. There we go. Just about 2 minutes and it is ready. Thank you guys. I hope you have learned something. And I wish you all a happy new month ahead. Bye.